If you own a Bosch refrigerator, you know how vital clean, refreshing water is. The EXCELPURE filter for Bosch refrigerators 3X provides an excellent solution. It's like a silent guardian for your water, working tirelessly behind the scenes. This 3-pack offers a convenient and affordable way to keep your family hydrated. We all want the best for our loved ones. Furthermore, this filter replaces several Bosch models. These include Ultra Clarity Pro, Bosch 50, and 12033030. Also, it fits 110-25825, 11032531, B36 Quart 80 SNS, and B36 CL80Ns. Plus, it works with WFC 100 mF, WFS 200 mF, and RAW 450022. Therefore, it's a versatile choice. This filter is a solid replacement option. Changing your refrigerator water filter is a small act, yet it yields significant benefits. The EXCELPURE filter for Bosch refrigerators 3X ensures pure water. It's like a breath of fresh air for your taste buds. This filter tackles common water impurities. For instance, it reduces chlorine taste and odor. Moreover, it improves overall water quality. You will notice a difference in your ice too. Consequently, your drinks will taste better. Your health is important. This filter contributes to it. Beyond that, the installation is straightforward. You won't need special tools. Just twist and lock. Indeed, it's that simple. Ultimately, it's a quick upgrade for your home. In conclusion, the EXCELPURE filter for Bosch refrigerators 3X is a smart purchase. It offers excellent value. Think of it as an investment. It protects your family's health. Additionally, it ensures delicious water. This 3-pack means fewer trips to the store. You'll always have a spare on hand. Therefore, you won't run out. This filter is a true champion. It delivers consistent performance. We highly recommend this product. Its performance speaks volumes. Ultimately, it provides peace of mind. Pros: good value for Bosch replacement, perfect substitute at a fraction of the cost, easy to install. Fits perfectly, great water flow, water tastes great, cannot feel any difference versus OEM. Water tastes good, quality is also good, removes chlorine and fluoride. If no hard water cons. Not equal to the OEM, not as good quality as the original, water and ice leave hard water. Stains, tea kettle developed a heavy scale, avoid them if you have hard water features. Replaces Bosch Ultra Clarity Pro, compatible with Bosch 50, also replaces 12033030 fits. Bosch B36 Quart 80 SNS models, filters WFC 100 mF type, comes in a 3-pack, easy to install, improves water taste, reduces chlorine, provides clean water. The EXCELPURE Bosch 55 water filter is a great choice for many Bosch refrigerators, including models like the B36 Quart 80 SNS. It's designed to replace several Bosch filters, such as the Ultra Clarity Pro and Bosch 50. This filter comes in a convenient 3-pack, is easy to install, and works to make your water taste better by reducing chlorine, giving you clean water. The EXCELPURE Bosch 55 refrigerator water filter is a good, affordable alternative to Bosch's original filters. It's easy to install, fits well, and provides great water flow, making your water taste good, much like the original. However, if you have hard water, this filter might not be the best choice because it may lead to hard water stains and scale buildup in appliances, and it doesn't remove fluoride if hard water is present.